Hello guys, what's up? This is Fire of Fate, and in this video guys, we are just gonna see what your person is thinking about you right now in the month of Jan 2021. So here are your cards, and first of all, we are gonna see the energy between you and the person you are dealing with right now in the month of Jan 2020. What is the energy between you and the person you are dealing with right now? The person who is on your mind right now, what they are thinking about you, the energy between you and the person you're dealing with, my beautiful Virgo. Let's see the energy between you and the person you're dealing with, Virgo. Let's see the energy between you and them, the energy between you and them. Okay, here we go guys, my beautiful Virgo. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. OMG, someone has done wrong to the other person, I think, with the deception over here. Someone is wearing false mask, I think. Okay, so let's see and let's hope for the best. So Virgo, what I see over here, that you are in love with this particular person. Okay, and you two are in deep love. Okay, though you might be separated, because I see the card over here, someone needs to say sorry, because the bottom of the deck, it already says about your deception. Okay, so I think the person you are dealing with, or you, one of you is holding back. OMG, what I see, the Empress energy between you and your person. Okay, so definitely they see you as your husband or wife material, and vice versa, because this card literally talk about what, Virgo, this is a person you want in your life, and the same thoughts are going in their mind also. But the card itself talks about someone in this relationship has hurt the other person's feelings right now. I don't know, but one partner has literally done wrong to other person, and it's time to say sorry to someone, Virgo. Okay, if you are done wrong, then you need to apologize to the person you are dealing with right now. Okay, why I'm telling you this, because the person, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual expectation. See again the bottom of the deck, Four of Cups. Someone is missing their partner, Virgo. It's you. I hope it's you, because the person you are looking for might be from different religion, because this is not the person usually you date. You think of getting married with a keep an open mind. They might be from different region, different origin, different country. Anything may be possible with the card over here, and that is creating a lot of turbulence in this relationship between you and them. There might be some of you, it may be a age gap, it may be a cultural different, or if you two are from the same religion, but then also the upbringing might be little bit different, and you miss this person guys. With Four of Cups in the bottom of the deck, it really talks about what, guys, there was an opportunity which you two need to explore, but you and your person both have missed that, because they were not your usual type. Okay, Virgo, I just want to tell you one thing. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. What it means, Virgo, you are in love with this particular person, but the problem is that you have not expressed the real true love to this particular person, and that is an issue. It may be for some of you, it may be from their side, vice versa, but I see that, Virgo, you have to express your love to this particular person, because you see, this is the past life connection. You have known each other before. See the bottom of the deck, the Lovers card. It's really talk about that, guys. You two are definitely going through a twin flame journey. You know this person. It may be you might have met in the previous life, if you believe in that. And that's why this particular person might have reappeared in your life in this period. OMGs. Someone might have walked away, Virgo. It's you or them. Let's get into reading, okay? The energy literally talks about that someone got hurt in this relationship with the card over here, okay? You both know, Virgo, that you love this person, and this person also knows that they love you. But their behavior, their nature is different. See again the Lovers card over here. This is the soulmate twin flame relationship, most probably a twin flame, because you think that how can it be possible that I am in love with this particular person. It might be scary by just thinking about that particular person. It is not going to happen, it is not going to possible, but it has already happened between you two. You two are in love, but Virgo, what I see with the cards over here, you are holding your love back from this particular person, okay? So let's see, guys. I need to see the situation over here first of all. What is the situation between you and your person? What is the situation, okay, between you and them right now? I need to know. Three of one, there is a lot of waiting game is going on between you and this particular person. Why? Ten of cups, Virgo, you want this person badly, as well as your person. I think the person, wherever they are, he or she, that doesn't matter, but they love you and they want emotion. They want ten of cups from you guys. It is so in depth. You too, I just told that what is the situation. It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game going on between you and them with the three of wands over here. In the bottom of the deck, ten of cups. You both know, I already told you guys, this could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek, Virgo. And they also know that they want to be with you. So this is just a twin flame connection, guys, with a past life relationship. You have already know this person in your past life, and in this life, you two want to be together. But the problem is that you might be from different religion, they might be from different religion, or it may be the country where you live and the country where they live might be different. City might be different, state might be different, because the person, whoever he or she is, they are totally different way of life, okay? A lot of differences going on between you and them, and that is creating a lot of issues. How could be this going to be possible between you and them? The three of one literally talks over here is that you are waiting for this person to move or to take an action towards you, and as well as they are waiting for you guys, because you know that this person is the one that you want to get married or want to get in relationship with him or her, and the same thought or same feeling is going on that side also, Virgo. So this is a very strong connection, and with the three of one, definitely you want to rush in this particular person's life, and as well as they want to rush, okay? You don't want to wait, and as well as they also don't want to wait with the situation over here, because a lot of waiting game is still going on, you know. A lot of things are going on in your mind also, guys. So I just want to tell you, try to be little bit practical, because I see a lot of tension has already built up with the card over here between you and this particular person, and it needs to be resolved. The tension needs to be resolved as much as possible, okay? But mind your words, Virgo. You know, when we get into an argument or any obstacle to solve, we always rush towards the solution, my way or highway. You're getting it what I want to say? You know, we always think that my solution is the best, my solution is the best, I know what to do and what not to do, I'm not going to listen somebody else. Don't do that, Virgo. And the same situation is that your person might be having different views, you might be having different views, because keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. See the seven of cups in the bottom of the deck. Definitely, guys, both want clarity, both want solution. You want to rush back to them, you want to question them, and the same thoughts are going in their mind. You are definitely thinking or demanding truth, what's going on. You might be wanting clarity from this particular person, and that is the situation because of a lot of waiting scenes is going on between you and your person. Virgo, with the cards over here, I can see that you want to tell the truth, what you have, and you are also going to demand truth from them. Do you love me? Do you want to take care of me? Can we be together? But before that, someone needs to express the love, because the love has not been still expressed from both the side in this relationship. You two are there. You two are there because you are guided by the universe to reach each other. And in between this whole theory or this reading, I see that you both have hurt each other badly, and it's time to say sorry if you might have hurt them or they might have hurt you. Because the twin flame connection is, very, ups and downs. There are a lot of bumps in the roads, and with a lot of confusion what to do and what not to do, who to choose, who to not. And that's why the tension needs to be resolved between you two, so that you two can move towards, you know uh, healthy direction. But I just want to tell you, you people both are very harsh with your own words. Okay, what's the problem in this relationship? What is the problem in this relationship? I need to know. Nine of Cups. Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Nine of Cups. You want happiness. You want wish fulfillment. You want your wish to come true. There are a lot of things that's still under the dark, Virgo, and you want to move all the clouds so that you can see the clear picture. Virgo, you want your love of your life, and same thing your person want, because you both know that this is the one. You know that they are the one you want, Virgo, as well as that particular person also knows that you are the one. You are the best romantic partner they ever have, and you both are thinking each about each other with the Seven of Pentacle. But the problem over here, what I see is that, you both of your minds have got stuck into something which requires a lot of changes right now. You have built up a perspective about your person as well as they, and it's time for a big changes between you and them. Until and unless something change in your life, I don't think the situation is going to resolve between you and that particular person, because the card itself talks about that someone was got hurt in this relationship and it requires an apologize by the other person. Okay, and that is creating a lot of issues. Okay, and I can also see with the card over here, the keep an open mind, it really talks about that, someone needs to sacrifice something to get another person in their life. So the wherever they are, they might have, hurt you real bad, Virgo, and because of that you need some clarity, honest clarity from the person you are dealing with, as well as they also want some clarity from you why you have done this. Because in this relationship, a lot of outside forces are there, guys, which has backstabbed you two together. You might have humiliated your person, and they might have completely let you down. Okay, the reading is all about a betrayed, and vice versa, double cross, because a lot of thinking is going on. Okay, when we say no, it's all be under control, it's not under control, guys. A lot of things needs to be handled clearly, because the problem is that your person, wherever they are, they know that they hurt you real bad, and you are in bad condition. You still want to know the truth. You always come very hard on them, very harsh on them. You want to know this, you want to know that, and that is creating a lot of problem. Okay, why you two want your wish fulfillment? Why you two want your wish fulfillment? Why you two want your wish fulfillment? So many things are going. Oh my god, I need to take this one. Okay, Queen of Swords. Guys, the problem over here is that somebody has cut the other person out. OMG. Bottom of the deck, Six of Cup. and that person who has cut the other person out is missing the other person real bad. You both are in twin flame journey, guys. Twin flame is all about the better half. You know, guys, if you hurt this person, they are gonna hurt you. If you love this person, they are gonna love you, just like that. And I see with the Queen of Swords, the relationship has been nearly cut off, and that's why someone needs to apologize. You know, Virgo, with the card over here, I literally see that you two are holding your love back. You know, Virgo, I know with the reading over here, your person, wherever they are, they knows that you want to see them. You want to move closer to them. You want forgiveness, Virgos, with the cards, right? Literally, with the Queen of Swords, I see that. They know that you want forgiveness. You want to see this person, you want to see them into eye. You want that true love. You want physical love, you want mental love, you want emotional. You just want to see eye to eye, face to face. Because Virgos, the card literally talks about a divine connection between you two, a spiritual connection, I can say. Okay, this is a soulmate made for each other connection. What I see with the cards right now, and this is not happening, guys, because you two are very cunning towards each other, and that is the twin flame journey, guys. Twin flame journey is very hard, and that's why, you know, I always suggest that avoid the twin flame journey. Soulmates is okay, soulmate we can change the soulmate, but twin flame, it's very hard journey. And that's why you can see the Six of Cups over here. What was the past? What was the past between you and this particular person? What they think about you in the past? What they think about you in the past? I need to know, I need to know, I need to know. Head of Cups. The person, wherever they are, they have walked away from this relationship, or you might have walked away. One person definitely. Why? The devil. Their negativity. What is that negativity? The person thought that you are not good person for them. He or she doesn't know that you both are in spiritual connection, a spiritual journey, a divinely gifted twin flame journey. What I need to say, and this twin flame journey is neither good not bad, but the person thought that you might have walked away because of the negativity in this relationship. Why you walk away, Virgo? It's all because you don't want to make a decision. They think that you have walked away from this relationship because you are scared to take a decision. It's your point, it's your problem, because someone need to sacrifice to be with this person. There is a partnership, but it is going to come with a price. You want to move forward, but you're not moving. Okay, you are definitely at a crossroad where you need to choose a one direction. You cannot go a north or south at a time. You need to choose only one direction, or east or west. You need to choose only one direction, and you don't want to take any sort of decision about this relationship, and that's why your person might have walked away, because they thought that it is going toxic, or it is going to be toxic in future for them, and that's why he or she has walked away from this relationship, my beautiful Virgo. Okay, what is the present situation? What is the present situation is going on between you and my beautiful, okay, Eight of Wands. You two are been separated, but still want to talk to each other. See, bottom of the deck, spying on each other. Virgo, you are spying on them, as well as they are spying on you with the Age of Wand. There is a lot of distance between you two guys, definitely. If not, but has created by you, between you and them. You might be spying on them, social networking site, you know, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, whatever, Twitter, all that stuff, and they are also spying on you. If you are nearby to this person, if you know where they stay, you might be spying on them. But I see a lot of distance over here. And what it talks about spying, with distance, with communication, it talks about that You two are avoiding each other, guys. I see a pin drop silence. I see the no communication is going on between you two. You are giving them silent treatment, they are giving you silent treatment. You don't want to rush, they don't want to rush. What's going on, Virgo, between you and your person? A lot of mind game is going on, guys. In relationship, in twin flame journey, there is no mind game. There is only emotional fulfillment, a wish come true. You want this nine of cups, my beautiful Virgo, and the same thing your person wants you. You want them to express their love to you. You want them to go ahead and make gestures that a lovers express to their lovers, to their partners, and all that. The same thing is happening. But because of the waiting game, there is so long waiting period is going on, and that is creating a lot of doubts in your mind as well as their mind. Why this is happening? This is all about the past life connection. You two were already married in your previous life, and that is the reason that this person knows that, and you have that auto connection that in this lifetime again you two are going to meet each other. You don't want to rush, and that's why you might have withdrawn, or they don't want to rush, but still they might be spying on you with the page of swords card in the bottom of the deck. Wherever they are, you don't want to enter in some sort of argument with this particular person. Let me see what needs to be done, what needs to be done, what needs to be done, what needs to be done in this relationship. I need to know what needs to be done in this relationship. I need to know in the month of Jan 2021, 2021, the world. Something is completed and it needs to start. And what is complete? There's a fight. Guys, if there is argument or fighting between you two, or you might have fought in the past, it's time to end that. And the fighting may not be the real one, it may be inside the mind, that you might having negative thought about this person as well as they might have a negative thought about you. You both need to stop thinking negative about each other. That needs to end right now in the month of Jan 2021. Why you need to stop the negative thinking, and why they needs to stop the negative thinking? It's all about one simple thing. And what that one simple thing is, that you both need to accept the truth that you both love each other. You both need to control the situation, because you both want the same thing. You both want the nine of cups. You both want to talk to each other because you both mean well to each other. Okay, and this is the real truth that both of you need to accept. Okay, you need to be honest with this particular person, because I don't see that you are honest with this person, because you have not yet expressed your love, as well as the person you're dealing with, they are also hiding the same thing. You are just showing them attitude, as well as they are showing you the attitude. I just want to tell you to stop doing that in the month of Jan 2021, because something needs to end, and that is the fighting. You need to put the sword down. Okay, how others sees this relationship, how other people sees this relationship, I need to know, I need to know, I need to know what other people sees about this relationship. Other people's means those who knows about your love story. OMG, this is Queen of Pentacles. You two are going to be very caring towards each other with the cards over here. The person definitely gonna care for you and you gonna care for them, that's for sure. But the problem over here is that everything has been stopped. The people around you, they know that you have that capability to nurture this relationship. You have that caring nature, you have that sensible approach, you can deal with any sort of problems, Virgo. But the other people's, what they think about this relationship is that everything has been stopped, nothing is happening, every activity is suspended, nothing is going on. Someone needs to sacrifice, someone needs to give the control of this relationship, and needs to focus on growth and not material needs. Okay guys, there are a lot of things, not the one, but you and your person needs to look from different angles right now, because if there is a pause between this relationship, it is just a temporary one, because you two are thinking a lot with the nine of swords in the bottom of the deck. Really guys, you two are just thinking a lot. I think you need to wait for a perfect timing. ओ जस्ट कैसे कहते हैं यार उसे, जब लोहा गर्म हो तो हथौड़ा मार दो, दैट टाइप ऑफ फीलिंग आई एम गेटिंग इट राइट नाउ. ओके, आई थिंक the relationship is being really stagnated between you and your person. What are their fears and hopes towards you? What are their fears and hopes towards you, my Virgo? Let's see. OMG, judgment. They want you to take a decision. They want you to make a decision for love and joy. Three of Cups. Virgo, they think that you want happiness, but they want you to take decisions that what you want. With the three of cups in the bottom of the deck, it talks about celebration, it talks about a wedding, birth announcement, it also talks about fun, enjoyment, wish fulfillment, meeting with people's, emotional fulfillment. You want some reunion if you two are away, because judgment talks about that decision where you will decide what to do and what not to do. Your person, wherever they are, you know they think that with you the life will be very good. They think that you are the best ever partner they ever met. They just want to be with your company. They want to be your spouse. They want to be mother or father of their kids and all that stuff, because someone needs to take a decision. Without you their life, they think, miserable. And this reading goes vice versa with the judgment card over here. But you two together can rock the world, guys. Okay, let me see the outcome for this reading, guys. Outcome for this reading. What is the outcome for this reading? Eight of Pentacles. Need to put a lot of work in this relationship, as I told you earlier. Someone needs to say sorry, needs to forgive, other person needs to forgive the person. With the Eight of Pentacle over here, it really talks about that someone needs to learn how to handle a relationship, need to take half other people's. Okay, I think the people around this relationship knows that the relationship has stopped or withdrawn or ended. So it's time to take help of the people who can guide you to take a needy action toward this particular person, or vice versa, they need to do that. Right now in the month of Jan, you need to heal this relationship, you need to heal yourself, because if you are hurt, and then also you are going in any sort of relationships, next relationship, then next relationship, then next relationship, nothing is going to happen. First of all, Virgo, you and your person needs to get heal yourself. Until unless you two people get healed, you cannot be happy. A lot of work needs to be done with the Eight of Pentacles over here. You need to learn how to manage a relationship or skill, anything, guys. It is been experience and then learn. You have gone through an experience of this reading, how he or she acts, what to do, what they like, what they don't like, and you both need to resolve the tension between this relationship. Because until and unless with the star card over here you two heal each other's, nothing is gonna happen. हम कहते हैं ना, मलम पट्टी करना, that's one. You both are wounded and it's time to get healed. What is the future? What is the immediate future between you and your person? I'm not talking about 5 to 10 years. I'm just telling about immediate one. What is the immediate future for you two guys? You two guys, what is the immediate future? Two of Pentacles. See guys, bottom deck, Three of Swords. So stop juggling, Virgo. I want to tell you, stop juggling. If you will juggle with two people, two person, two job, anything, you're going to get in three of swords. If you want this person back in your life, then you need to stop juggling, because I see you or your person has other option. And until unless you both have options, you cannot receive the true love. You cannot start the twin flame journey. But twin flame journey is already started between you two. But the problem is all about you have not recognized them as your twin flame, and they have not recognized you as a twin flame, because you two are not putting work. With the Eight of Pentacles, it talks about you both need to put work in this relationship to be together, because something needs to end. And what is that? The fighting, the argument. It's all about thoughts. You both need to end those bad or negative thoughts about your person. It's time to take a decision with the Judgment card over here. And near future, what it talks about, stop juggling. You are also juggling, your person is also juggling. That means you might be having option, as well as your partner might be having option. And that's why you two are not seeing each other. Why I'm telling you this? Because this juggling or having another partner in your life is going to give you only three of swords, three of swords, three of swords. I see the person wherever they are, they want to give you a lot of love, because they want the emotion, they want the love, and only the love. I see that you two are going to come together only after when you stop juggling with your person. You cannot approach other person, you cannot approach the other partner with another person in our life, and that is an issue. Okay, you too need to learn how to respect others feeling. You need to learn how to respect others, because I see the reading, every twin flame relation reading is all about pain and sorrow. But in the end, what it gets everything. It gets stability. Relationship goes into the financial stability, financial security, a happy home, happy life, having bungalow, car, bike, pets, everything, kids, and all that. I see the future is definitely going to be the Nine of Cups. What do you want? The person can deliver everything, the emotion, the love you are caring for. But someone over here is need to express the love, because love isn't being expressed by another person. It's depend upon you guys that you have not expressed the true love, or they have not expressed their emotions towards you. But someone needs to put effort in this relationship, because this relationship has already started between you and your person. Right now, I see the no communication is going on, but sooner or later, you two are going to be in deep love, because twin flame connection journey is always get completed, but it takes a time. And I see that you two are changing. Now you are understanding them, how he or she behaves, and they are also studying you. Both of you are spying on each other wherever you are. So, guys, this was the reading for you, my love. Bye, take care.